Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the synapse and their mechanism. It contains two types, that is one of the electrical synapse and another chemical synapse. Firstly, we will discuss about definition of synapse. Means what? That is synapse, it is one of the junction between two nerve cells with a gap in between them which allow the transmission of impulse by a neurotransmitter bridge. Means it is in the central nervous system. Synapse is small gap at the end of neuron that allow a signal pass from one neuron to the next, and this synapse, which is found mostly where the nerve cell connected with other nerve cell, and it is one of the key to the brain function. One of the type of synapse, that is electrical synapse, in which, that is, you can see here one of the diagram. In this diagram you can see here the different parts of the synapse, or it is one of the ultrastructure of synapse. The nerve cell which contributes the transmissional terminal is called as the presynaptic neuron, and the other which contribute to the generator region, it is called as the postsynaptic neuron. You can see here in this diagram the synaptic vesicles are seen, presynaptic membrane, postsynaptic membrane, synaptic cleft, receptors, neurotransmitter. All these parts are seen in this structure. The synaptic presynaptic membrane and postsynaptic membrane, and one of the part, that is synaptic cleft. These three parts play important role in a electrical synapse. These small intercellular space present in between the presynaptic and postsynaptic, that is called as the synaptic cleft. Okay, then another important thing is that is this synaptic cleft, which contains the width having 20 to 30 nanometer. At the electrical synapse, the membrane of presynaptic and postsynaptic neurons are very close contact, and the electrical current flow directly from one neuron to the other across the synapse, and hence it is called as a electrical synapse. Means the transmission of impulse across the electrical synapse is faster than that of the chemical synapse. Understand? So firstly, what happened here in this presynaptic membrane and post membrane म्हणा किंवा neurons म्हणा, it is very close in contact, and electrical current fast directly from one neuron to the other neuron. कारण की synapse काय आहे, it is one of the connection between the two neuron, or in this neuron one of the gap is present, hence it is one of the important part to transmit the impulse from one neuron to another neuron. Okay, the next type of synapse, that is chemical synapse. In this, what happen, it is one of the mechanism in which these are the specialized junction through which the cells of neural system send the chemical signals to the other neuron and to non-neuronal cell, for example glands and the muscles, and the synaptic gap is larger than that of the electrical synapse, that is 20 to 40 nanometer. In which, what happened, that is, in chemical synapse, the presynaptic membrane has a synaptic buttons. Presynaptic membrane has a synaptic button and synaptic cleft and the postsynaptic membrane. Means in these three parts are seen: presynaptic, postsynaptic and synaptic cleft. Through these three parts, this mechanism which is completed. These chemicals called as a neurotransmitter. You can see here numbers of neurotransmitters receptors are present. Neurotransmitter, red कलरचे जे walls like structure दिसते, that is neurotransmitter. And in this, the synaptic bulb possesses the synaptic vesicles. Synaptic vesicle राउंडेड, आतमधल्या भागाला तुम्हाला राउंडेड बॉलसारखे स्ट्रक्चर दिसत आहे ग्रीन कलरचे. त्याच्या these are the synaptic vesicles, and त्या synaptic vesiclesमध्ये आपल्याला काय दिसतं आहे, न्यूरोट्रान्समीटर. The synaptic bulb which contains the synaptic vesicles and which is filled with that of the neurotransmitter. Which type of neurotransmitter which is filled inside the synaptic vesicle? That is acetylcholine. And this acetylcholine play important role. The impulse when arrives at the synaptic bulb. Synaptic bulb means what? It is the part of axon, and it is the terminal part of axon. Okay, when the impulse travels along the axon of the presynaptic bulb, it stimulates the axon terminal, and this axon terminal contains the numbers of the synaptic vesicles, and these numbers of synaptic vesicle contains the neurotransmitters. This neurotransmitter that is called as the acetylcholine, in which when an impulse reaches the synaptic when an impulse reaches a synaptic knob, at that time voltage sensitive calcium channels open and calcium channel diffuse inwards from extracellular fluid. पहा इथे तुम्ही दिसत आहे तुम्हाला की जो नर्व इम्पल्स आहे तो पास झाला ॲक्झॉन टर्मिनलला, त्यावेळेस तिथे नंबर्स ऑफ द वेसिकल सिनॅप्टिक वेसिकल्स आर सीन, अँड द व्होल्टेज गेटेड कॅल्शियम चॅनल्स आर ऑल्सो सीन ऑन दॅट ऑफ द सिनॅप्टिक end bulb membrane. Okay, and this calcium ion channel which is enter inside from extracellular fluid. Okay, and when the increased calcium concentration inside the cell, due to this it initiate a series of events that fuse the synaptic vesicle with the cell membrane of presynaptic neuron. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काय दिसत आहे की नंबर्स ऑफ द calcium ion channel which enters inside the synaptic end bulb, and it due to this increasing numbers of calcium ion channel, what happened here, that is synaptic vesicles जे आहे, and these synaptic vesicles with the cell membrane of presynaptic neuron where they are release their neurotransmitter. म्हणजे तिथे काय होणार, या कंडिशन कॅल्शियम आयन वाढल्यामुळे ते न्यूरोट्रान्समीटर जे आहे ते रिलीज होईल. कुठून, सिनॅप्टिक वेसिकल्समधून. आणि रिलीज झाल्यानंतर ते काय करेल, once the neurotransmitter binds to that of the receptor of the postsynaptic cell, and the action is either excitatory or इनिबिटरी, दोनमधून कोणती प्रोसेस दाखवेल, एक तर एक्सायटेशन दाखवेल किंवा इनिबिशन दाखवेल. म्हणजे प्रोसेस टर्निंग अ प्रोसेस ऑन through the excitation and turning a process off through that of the inhibition. This is depend on the nature of the neurotransmitter involved. Once the impulse has been transferred across the synapse, the enzyme like cholinesterase destroys the neurotransmitter and synapse is ready to receive a new impulse. Okay, you can see in this diagram that is neurotransmitter release, and it is attached on the neurotransmitter receptor which is present on the ligand gated channel. Okay, means इथे पहा कॅल्शियम आयनसुद्धा दिसत आहे, सोडियम आयनसुद्धा दिसत आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये हे जे ग्रीन बॉल्स आहे, these are the numbers of sodium ion, and ligand gated म्हणजे potassium ion gated channel are open and ligand gated channels are closed. म्हणजे पोस्ट सिनॅप्टिक पोटेन्शियल विच इज फॉर्म्स द नर्व इम्पल्स. ओके, म्हणजे इथे तुम्हाला प्रोसिनॅप्टिक आणि प्रीसिनॅप्टिक आणि पोस्ट सिनॅप्टिक न्यूरॉन्स जे आहे ते महत्त्वाचा रोल करताना दिसेल.